Have you ever wondered why a country decides to display all of its military might in one single grand parade? Today we are going to explore in detail the story behind China's recent historic military parade, a spectacle where it showcased its most advanced and powerful weapons to the world. This was not just a military show, but a carefully crafted message aimed at both domestic and international audiences. In this video, we'll break down exactly what China revealed. From its nuclear arsenal, hypersonic missiles, submarines, naval destroyers, advanced fighter jets, drones, bombers, robotic systems, and even futuristic directed energy weapons. But before we dive into this full breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and share our channel Global Defense Zone, so you never miss out on such powerful updates from the world of defense and military technology. Hello and welcome, friends. I am Harry, and you are watching Global Defense Zone. Today's video takes you right into the heart of Beijing's Grand Military Parade. This event was staged on the 80th anniversary of victory commemorations, a moment designed not only to remember history but also to project the strength and modernity of China's military to the entire globe. With an audience that included top leadership, senior commanders, and a carefully watching international press, this parade became one of the most significant military showcases in recent times. The display was massive, roaring fighter jets and columns of naval power. The sheer scale itself was meant to impress, but what made it truly remarkable were the specific systems unveiled. Among the highlights was the revelation of China's full nuclear triad, a symbol of ultimate power. For the first time, land-based intercontinental ballistic missiles, submarine-launched ballistic missiles, and air-based nuclear systems were all presented in one event, signaling that China is now fully capable of launching nuclear retaliation from land, sea, and air. The sight of large missile carriers rolling down the parade ground, along with models of submarine-based weapons, was a direct message to rivals that China is no longer restricted to a limited nuclear deterrent but has achieved a strategic balance comparable to other major powers. This was reinforced by the inclusion of hypersonic glide vehicles and cutting-edge cruise missiles, systems capable of striking with incredible speed and precision, designed specifically to counter advanced missile defense networks and to hold enemy fleets, particularly aircraft carriers, at risk even at great distances. The parade was not confined to missiles alone. It featured the growing dominance of China's Navy, a branch that has seen rapid modernization over the past 2 decades. Alongside them were submarine forces, including strategic nuclear-powered submarines designed for extended patrols and capable of launching SLBMs undetected from beneath the ocean, and autonomous robotic submarines. These are futuristic systems built for reconnaissance, surveillance, and possibly offensive roles, able to operate in contested waters without risking human crews. This emphasis on undersea warfare makes it clear that futuristic technology did not stop there. China also unveiled powerful directed energy weapons, including anti-drone laser systems and high-powered microwave weapons. These represent the new frontier of warfare, systems that can disable incoming drones, blind surveillance drones, and even AI-powered platforms designed to work alongside manned aircraft. Growing ambition to achieve full air superiority in the region. These aircraft are equipped with advanced avionics, electronic warfare systems, and new-generation weaponry, making them formidable assets in both defensive and offensive roles. The bombers in particular highlighted China's drive. The ability to deploy powerful missile systems on mobile platforms ensures survivability in conflict, as they can move and launch within minutes, making them harder to track and destroy. Ground forces marching in precise synchronization added to the spectacle, reinforcing the message of discipline, strength, and readiness. Ultimatized pride, progress, and security under the leadership of the state. To the international community, it was a warning. China is prepared, modernized, and confident in its ability to defend its interests and assert its influence. It was also a display meant to deter potential rivals while reassuring allies of China's growing military self-sufficiency. Analysts around the world, however, point out that not all the systems displayed may be fully operational or available in large numbers. Some may still be prototypes, presented for political symbolism rather than immediate battlefield readiness. But regardless of that, the very act of parading them in public changes the global perception of China's military capabilities. In conclusion, Beijing's grey domain: land, sea, air, space, and cyber. From nuclear deterrence to hypersonic weapons, from naval robotics to drones, from directed energy weapons to cutting-edge aircraft, China has demonstrated that it seeks to rival and possibly surpass global powers in certain fields. Balance of power and prepare for a future where China plays an even larger role in military affairs. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Global Defense Zone. Tell us in the comments, which Chinese weapon or system surprised you the most? I'll be making deeper dives into some of these technologies in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.